So to submit, you go into the task. You can go to Office Reception. Your job's currently in progress holds the tasks that you're working on. You click Submit. You select here the file. You click to upload, and then you actually have to click Upload Selected for it to actually upload. I don't think this will because it's the wrong format. You need to click Upload Selected, and then this cross goes to become a green tick. Add a completion note, and then send to completed, and then that's the process. So again, in the task at the bottom, there is a Submit Your Completed Work. Click here, add the file, and then click Upload Selected File, and then add your note and send.